Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to limit battery charge to 80%. Now, a quick way to do that, guys, is by coming over here to your settings. Go ahead and search for battery itself. Now, go ahead and open up power, sleep, and battery settings. Now, after that, you can see over here, you can obviously see the battery level. Mine is at 76%. Now to limit it up to 80%, obviously you need to come to the power mode over here and make sure that you choose unbalanced power mode. After that, go ahead and turn off the power saver. Okay, go ahead and turn off the power saver. After doing that, guys, you need to download a third-party application. You will need to download a third-party application from Chrome. Now on Chrome, just go ahead and type in the following. On Chrome, just go ahead and type in the following. Okay, so on Chrome, type in download MSI uh, for Windows 11, depending on the Windows you're using anyways. So go ahead and tap on that, and you see this first website over here, which is msi.com. Okay, now go ahead and open it and then run the download. For my case, I won't download it again, but basically that's how to do it. Now, once you download this application, guys, it will enable you to edit anything on your PC, even the battery settings, to enable it to charge up to 80%. So basically, that's it, guys. Subscribe.